Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When hosting a dinner, deciding on a menu is the hardest part. But I can help you with a few suggestions, like bœuf bourguignon, blood orange miso scallops, blanquette de veau, lobster Newburg, and hundreds more, as well as this one, Pistachio Crusted rack of lamb. This elegant recipe is easy to make. It's flavorful, colorful, and perfect to serve at your next event. So let's get cooking. Here we have two gorgeous racks that are already Frenched, and to make them easier to handle, we'll cut each rack in half. Next, we'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, and that includes the sides too. Now let's move on to the stove. In a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets very hot, but not smoking though, we'll place the racks fat side down at first and sear until browned. That's very important to do all the sides, okay? We'll flip them again with the fat side down and transfer to a 425-degree preheated oven. We'll roast for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make the pistachio crust. In the jar of a blender, we'll add pistachios, followed by panko breadcrumbs, then parsley, which is good for us, some dried thyme leaves, and dried rosemary, plus a couple cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. We'll process until the mixture is fine, which I normally do, but this time I didn't and regret it. It has to be very fine so the pistachio mixture can adhere better. Anyway, so when it's very fine, we'll slowly pour in a little bit of oil, enough so the mixture is moist, resembling dam sand. We'll transfer it to a shallow dish or pie plate and set aside. So, when the 8 minutes is over, we'll carefully remove the cast iron pan from the heat, transfer the racks to a cutting board because it's easier that way, and immediately brush on some pomegranate molasses on the meat. You can buy it. However, it's very easy to make from scratch, and to get the recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. From here, we'll coat the racks with the pistachio crust mixture, leaving the bones intact and pressing down to adhere it. See, the mixture wasn't fine enough, and it doesn't stick as well as it normally does, but it will still taste lovely. We'll place the racks back in a skillet, but this time the fat side is up, and return to the oven. We'll roast for 5 to 8 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. We'll transfer them to a cutting board, cover loosely with foil, and let them rest for 15 minutes before slicing. And my friends, this is our pistachio crusted rack of lamb. With a colorful and tasty crust, this recipe is perfect to serve for any special occasion. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!